ang hilig ko sa mga malalamig, ice cream, halo-halo. Every time I take them, bigla na lang, ay, ang sakit. It kept on happening again and again that I couldn't actually enjoy my food anymore. I talked to my dentist about it, and then she recommended Sensodyne to me. I tried the sample that she gave me. I actually felt comfortable. Walang sudden pain that you usually experience. It relieves my sensitive teeth, and there's nothing more that I would need. There's nothing more that I would need. Direct, bakit may... Did I do anything wrong?
Wala naman. Kaya lang kung saan sa ka tumitingin. Di ba sabi ko, dito ang camera, tumitingin ka dyan. Kung saan sa ka tumitingin. Ano ka ba naman? Sabi ko, tumiretso lang tingin mo sa camera. Inglesera ka, di ka mamarunong sumunod sa simpleng instruction.